All right, good morning, guys. It is not Halloween anymore. Hopefully, you had a great night last night. If you celebrate, if you don't, we did. I have a 3-year-old and a 2-year-old, and we were Peter Pan, Captain Hook, Wendy, Tinkerbell. It was a great time. They got way too much candy, and now I have to battle with my 3-year-old son on why he can't eat all the candy today. So pray for me, wish me luck. But we're going to talk about Dogecoin today. It looks absolutely amazing, and I want to do something different in today's video and show you the daily time frame and really what I think is the next move for Dogecoin. All I ask that you drop a like, you subscribe to the channel, and of course, don't forget to grab your coffee. Here's mine. So Dogecoin right now is pulling back a little bit, and we've been talking about this. I made a video. I was on a trip on a retreat in Temecula, California, earlier this week. It was absolutely amazing mastermind just with other business professionals, and I was saying that there's going to be some resistance right above 17 cents, and that's exactly what happened, right? So we touched highs of 17.86, and now we're pulling back, and right now we're trading at 16.12 as I'm making this video. So why is this? Why did we pull back? Well, let me actually move this to the side real quick. The reason that we are pulling back is we hit the 618 level. Okay, this is usually very strong resistance. So you can see we had a massive run all the way up to the 618 level, and now we're pulling back. So where are we going to pull back to? And we're going to break down the stochastic and RSI in a second. So looking at Fibonacci, we take it from the low point of right here. Okay, also lines up with the 21 EMA. We bring it to the high, and you can see that we've just been breaking down. And right now, currently, we are testing. Let me put this back over here. Okay, right now we have touched this point, which is the 50 on a fib. Okay, 1548, and we've been holding it. We wicked down a little bit. So if this breaks down even further, I would say that we would probably turn around at right under 15 cents, because if we come down, the 21 EMA will continue to climb up, and we may test it again like we have before. And then worst case scenario, again, if we really want to break down, I think we'll turn around at the 786 level, which would be about right under 14 cents. And I'll just tell you guys right now, if this does, I have a lot of Dogecoin, and I usually only share this with Patreon members, but these would be my next buy levels, right? If we hit the 618 level, we're going to see it could be support, what used to be resistance right here, around 1486, all the way as low as like 1464. If that happens, I'm buying more, okay? And especially if we hit the 786 level down here, we can see this used to be resistance all in this area. All of this used to be resistance, and then we broke through it. So it could very much come back down and test around 1437. So honestly, guys, anywhere from 14 cents to about 15 cents would be a massive buy for me, okay? 14 to 15 cents. It definitely can happen. We can come back down and test this old resistance, which I believe is now support, because we broke through right here. We broke through right here. Hopefully that makes sense. If that makes sense, drop a like. Truly appreciate that. If we can give this over 500 likes and we can break records, would love to be closer to the #1 channel on YouTube in regards to Dogecoin. I don't really watch other people, but I used to watch YouTube, and I think a lot of people just put out these price targets. They don't really share the technicals with you of when to buy and sell and the reality of what can actually happen, right? So that's what I want to make this channel all about. So again, that would really be a major, major buy, anywhere from 14 to 15 cents if you're trying to get back into Dogecoin. Now, if you don't hold any Dogecoin and you're seeing this video for the first time, I believe Dogecoin will go much higher than 1612, where we're trading right now. So with that mindset and understanding of what's around the corner, for me, I would be buying, right, if I didn't hold any. Now, this is just my own opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but I just want to make this as simple as possible for you. Now, looking at the stochastic right now, looks great. Even though the blue line's under the red, I do believe we'll curl very soon and momentum will pick up again. We just have to pull back. Like, we can't go in a straight line forever. Okay, you can even see run, pull back, run, pull back, run, pull back. So another run will come, and I do think 30 to 32 cents is on its way. You can see the RSI is making higher lows, which is a great sign on a daily time frame. We're not even overbought yet. We're at 67. on a daily time frame. Like Dogecoin has hit highs. You can see over here in March of 2024, it hit highs in 93. Okay. If we go even further back in time, on this big pump over here, we hit highs of 89.90. Okay. And this is really what I would be looking for on a daily time frame. If we go all the way back in time, over here we hit highs of 96. Okay, so right now with the RSI right at 60, let me see again. Are we at 60? Right at 66, and no negative divergence at all on a daily time frame. You can see the RSI is making higher highs, which is great, and the asset's making higher highs. No negative divergence. This looks absolutely amazing to me. Now, one more thing, guys. Congrats to the 2 newest members that joined my whale community on buymeacoffee.com. The link is down below. What this gives you right here, the whale community, is we're actually going to Zoom multiple times a month. And really, I believe if you're trying to learn a skill set, you can't learn it in 30 minutes. You can't even learn it in an hour. Like, I want to help you guys as much as possible understand how I understand things and how I look at things, right? Because this is how we've called multiple stocks, multiple cryptos, had massive gains on a lot of different cryptos, especially Jasmy when we were buying under a penny. Okay. That's just one to name. I mean, there's so many: CLSK, Mara, Tesla, SoFi, Palantir, FET, AOs. I mean, there's so many cryptos and stocks. So I want to share this insight with you. Now, this is us Zooming one-on-one, meeting over Zoom. I don't have a lot of spots. I don't have a lot of time. So if you want to get in, make sure you click the links out down below, buymeacoffee.com. You get to join our community also on Discord and see all the posts that I make of when I'm buying, when I'm selling. So if you think it's worth it, definitely join down below. Now, finishing up this video today, again, this is what I'm looking at for Dogecoin. This would also line up with a back test of the 21 EMA. So let's get rid of this real quick. You can see that this is going to be very strong support. Okay, again, 15 to 14 cents. The 21 EMA is right here. So I would not be surprised if we slowly come down here. Now, if we don't, then I think the next leg is coming. Okay. You can also see, you can start to use Keltner lines on when to get out. If you're trying to really trade Dogecoin, I'm not really trying to trade it right now. I bought a bunch when we were down here. Okay. I made multiple posts on X and obviously a part of the Discord that I was buying in heavy at 10.5 cents. I bought more on the way up. I think I bought more on this weekend also right here. I think it was last weekend that I bought more. And yeah, that's just the story, right? And I'm waiting for at least 30 to 32 cents. I have a prediction that by the end of November, I do think this will be at least 30 to 32 cents. And that would be up here. Okay, so that's about a double from where we're at right now. And I think that will happen. Today's November 1st. I think that will happen within the next 30 days. And that's my bet. And then I'll probably take some profit at that time. I'll alert you guys, make sure you subscribe, notifications are on. I do make time sensitive videos. And with that, guys, I hope you have a great Friday, and we'll see you on the next one.